International Day in Support of Victims of Torture, 26th June. It is an international observance held annually on 26 June to speak out against the crime of torture and to honor and support victims and survivors throughout the world. On this day, people around the globe pay their respects to those who have suffered the unimaginable torture. This is regarded as an occasion for the world to speak up against the unspeakable. What constitutes torture? The term torture means any act by which severe pain or suffering, whether physical or mental, is intentionally inflicted on a person for such purposes as obtaining from him or a third person information or a confession, punishing him for an act he or a third person has committed or is suspected of having committed. It does not include pain or suffering arising only from inherent in or incidental to lawful sanctions. Torture is a crime under international law. According to all relevant instruments, it is absolutely prohibited and cannot be justified under any circumstances. History. The day was selected by the United Nations General Assembly for two reasons. First, on 26 June 1945, the United Nations Charter was signed during the midst of World War II, the first international instrument obliging UN members to respect and promote human rights. Second, 26 June 1987 was when the United Nations Convention Against Torture and Other Cruel, Inhuman and Degrading Treatment or Punishment came into effect. The decision to annually observe the International Day in support of victims of torture was taken by UN General Assembly at the proposal of Denmark, which is home to the world-renowned International Rehabilitation Council for Torture Victims, IRCT. The first 26 June events were launched in 1998. Since then, nearly 100 organizations in dozens of countries all over the world mark the day each year with events, celebrations, and campaigns. Significance. The day is an opportunity by the UN to call on all stakeholders, including the UN member states, civil society, and individuals everywhere, to unite in support of the hundreds of thousands of people around the world who have been victims of torture and those who are still tortured today. Celebration. The first International Day in support of victims of torture was held on June 26, 1998. On this day every year, the IRCT monitors the campaigns plans of organizations around the world and towards the end of the year publishes the 26 June Global Report, where it describes the events held in commemoration of the day. In this report, they describe the events held in the celebration of the day. Their events may include photo exhibitions, the distribution of posters and other materials to boost people's awareness of issues related to human torture and television advertisements.